Hello, long time no see. I'm just on the way to Lidl and I thought I'd bring you with me so I can do a what I eat in a day video and like a food shop video. Stopped on the way back to get a coffee. It's called Self-Care, look it up. So I'll just show you what I got from Lidl. I got a potted basil, which I've never had before. I've always just had the little, you know, like the little shakers. So I thought I'd give like a real one a try because there's a recipe I want to make tonight and it's much nicer with fresh basil. So I'm gonna try that. I've got some Sunstream vine tomatoes, a couple of bananas. The last time I bought bananas, I bought a whole bag and I ate like 3 and the rest went all gross and mouldy. I've got a lime. I've got a garlic baguette to go with my dinner. Some peppers, a kilogram of fusilli pasta for 69p or something ridiculous like that. 78p. And to be honest, it probably won't last me that long. I eat pasta like ridiculous amounts. I got a new sugar because I haven't had a cup of tea for like 3 days because we ran out of sugar and I can't. I got some chicken because I want to make some skewer things for lunch tonight. So I'm going to do some with chicken. Did I say lunch tonight? It's not lunch tonight, is it? Lunch today. So I got some chicken and I got some halloumi. So I'm going to do like a vegetarian version and a meaty version. I got some Bramley apple sausages for dinner tomorrow night. And then I got some mini mozzarella pearls, which I'm going to use for my dinner. So all in all, £12.40p. Which is why I went to Lidl rather than Sainsbury's. Sainsbury's is a lot closer. But yeah, you just couldn't get that amount of stuff in a different shop for that money. So it's quite late in the day now. It is 11:50 and I haven't even had breakfast yet, so I'm gonna have like a late breakfast which is just gonna be like really simple. I'm just gonna have dippy eggs and soldiers because I'm obsessed with dippy eggs and soldiers. My boyfriend's eating all the bread. I'm gonna have to go back to the shop.
5 minutes later.
Hello, so I've just been chilling, looking absolutely ravishing today. It's my first day off in ages because I've just been saving up for mine and my boyfriend's Euro trip. We're going away in like 17 days as of today, and we're going interrating, so I'm really excited for that, but that's where all my money is gone. But yeah, I'm peckish again because I only had like a smallish breakfast and I didn't eat it until quite late and I'm already quite hungry, so I'm gonna make the chicken and the veggie version, so the halloumi skewers. So I've got all my bits out. I've got some red onions, peppers, tomatoes, the halloumi and the chicken, and I've got a lime to like drizzle over it. Oh, and the oil there. Oh my god, I made loads. So these ones are just halloumi with the red peppers, some tomatoes, onion. These ones are the halloumi and chicken, and then these ones just have chicken on them. So me and Chris both eat meat some of the time. I'm a vegetarian some of the time, so I think that these will stay okay if I keep them in the fridge, but I've made like millions. How many is there? 12? I can't count. 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, yeah, 9. Oh my god. But yeah, they look really nice, and I'm just gonna stick them in the oven now. I'm gonna like grill them. It's been like heating up for ages. I've never made kebabs at home, so I hope it doesn't go weird, but I'm just gonna spray the tops with a little bit of oil, and I'm also just gonna cut this lime and like squeeze a bit of lime over the top as well. Yeah, I'm probably gonna have like one of each for now, and then like I'm gonna put some back in the fridge. I guess these would like keep in the fridge okay. Just trying to make sure the chicken's cooked properly, because I get a bit squeamish about uncooked chicken. I might put them in for like 5 minutes more, but they look really good. Like the ones with the chicken, I think the halloumi ones are pretty done. That looks pretty burnt. But yeah, the rest I'm gonna whack under the grill for a little bit longer. Okay, so that is them browned off. Like the chicken looks a lot darker now, and I'm like quite squeamish with my chicken. So I'm gonna put half of these on a plate to keep in the fridge, and like Chris can have some when he gets home from work today. So those are the halloumi ones I did first. Those are the chicken ones, and then I'll put the mixed one. And another mixed one. So those are the spares, so just a few. And then I already ate my plain halloumi one, so I'm gonna eat these two now. I'm having such a chilled day. I'm literally just like playing The Sims 4 because I'm a 23-year-old lady who just finished uni like a few weeks ago, and I'm making the most of doing not much. But yeah, it's coming up to dinner time, so I'm gonna start making my dinner, and I thought I'd show you. So it's really easy. There's like virtually nothing in it, so it's literally just gonna be olive oil, the rest of the tomatoes that I used on the kebabs earlier. I'm gonna roast those in the oven for a little bit to like bring the flavour out and make them all sweet and lovely. And then I'm gonna do some pasta, and then I've got these little mini mozzarella balls, and I'm just gonna stir it all up through, and I think it's called like a caprese salad, a caprese pasta salad, but I'm gonna have mine warm, and then like I'll make a little bit extra so I can put it in the fridge and have it cold maybe tomorrow for lunch or something. But I'm gonna use some of the fresh basil in there as well. So yeah. So I'm just boiling some pasta. I've decided to only make enough for me. Like I don't really have that many tomatoes left, and like I've already got stuff for lunch tomorrow anyway. So I'm just gonna do one for myself, and then in here I've got some oil and some sea salt, just getting ready for the tomatoes to go in, which should nearly be like roasted off a little bit. I've also drained the mozzarella balls there. I'm just gonna stick a few in and stir them round, and I don't think they should melt too much, but if they do, it'll be really nice and gooey. Gonna take some basil. So at the moment I've got the tomatoes in there, and they're starting to split, which is really nice. And then the pasta's nearly done. Okay, I'm just bringing it into my bedroom because it's the only room that has like a little bit of decent natural lighting in there. But look how cute my dinner looks. Also, just for the record, I don't usually dress up my bloody pasta like this. It's just because I'm excited because I got that basil plant, and I just got a couple of bits of garlic bread. But it's really easy. It's like the easiest pasta in the universe, and I like it because you know exactly what's gone in it. Like with jars and stuff, they can be really full of sugar and salt, and like I've got to go on holiday and have lots of bikini pics soon, and I don't want to be eating unnecessary crap. But that was my what I eat in a day video and a grocery shop, and I am now leaving you. Oh wow, I am now leaving you, and I'm gonna go and eat. and I'll catch you in the next video, in which I promise I'll put some bloody makeup on. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!